We've talked about your formula for homeowners to consider, do I repair or do I replace? It's a very common sense, very logical formula that's in our article today. We appreciate you sharing that with everybody. We talked a little bit about repair and the fact that when do you make that repair? When do you make that decision to replace? And not every leak demands replacement.
No, absolutely. And there's different kinds of repairs too. Like we have the 750, which is just our common, simple, something bad happened to your roof, let's fix it, all the way up to, hey, we need to replace a whole section of the roof because for whatever reason that's bad. Honestly, it's also a personal decision. There's a lot of times when you're gonna be presented with a problem and you'd love to replace the whole roof, but unfortunately the circumstances just don't dictate that. They don't allow you to. And so you might have to limp that roof along for a few more years until you can come to a position where it's comfortable to do it. Or if you absolutely can, then sure, it's always best to do the best thing for your roof and your pocketbook. And that's what a lot of people don't look at, is throwing 3 repairs at a roof. The repair's $700, $800, but doing that 2-3 times a year, 2 years in a row, and then you're going to have to tear it all off and redo it. You can't leave a repair in the middle of a new roof. You don't want to do that.